Okay, we're here on top of the roof of 2509 Commodore Street in Los Angeles. We're doing a sewer inspection from a 4-inch vent line. There was no access on the floor level. So we're going to be accessing the back house of 2509. So this is the back house close to the garage. The back section, there's the garage, there's the little patio. And we're going to be accessing the 4-inch vent line. So right now we're going down the vent line. Right here we're at the horizontal part of the sewer line. This is cast iron pipe. Here we're just hitting some turns. So far, still cast iron, a little bit of water in the bottom of the pipe. It's normal, just a little bit of debris. Okay, now it seems to be we're in clay pipe at 95 feet, so it transitioned from cast iron to clay. So here at 99 feet, we're just finding one too many turns. Should be at the second unit, at the first unit, the one closer to the street, which is 2511, 2509. Right now we're running the camera from the back house. Everything is cast iron, clay. So now we're going to be putting back in reverse to that back house property. And we're going to do a second recording from the front house property out towards the city. There was no breaks, no roots. We were just finding just turns. A little bit of build-up. Now we're coming up the vent line that we accessed on top of the roof. So here we go. So now we're going to jump to that first unit, which is on the street, Commodore, and do a second recording from there out to the city.